I see the great Drew Brees, Thunder Ingram too. Yeah, that was Lightning Camaro running right past you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful team. I see Michael Thomas catching balls way up high. Cam Jordan pots you, you see stars in the sky. And I think to myself, what a wonderful team. The colors of black and gold, so lovely to the eyes. Saints fans yelling who that to whomever passes by. I smell hot sausage, ribs and red beans, crawfish and gumbo steaming hot. Y'all stop by the tailgate now and taste what we got. And I think to myself, what a wonderful team. The offense scoring points, they're always on the grind. Defense making plays, sacking quarterbacks from behind. And I think to myself, what a wonderful team. Yeah. Now the Saints have the ball. It's 4th down and 6. With Coach Sean Payton smiling while digging in his bag of tricks. I see Tom Benson second lining in the clouds up above. The whole dome is rocking with nothing but love. And I think to myself, what a wonderful team. Now when the last game is over, for next season has begun, we'll be in our jerseys talking trash and having fun. And I think to myself, what a wonderful skibbity-doo-dop-dip-dop-diddy when the Saints go marching in. I think to myself, what a wonderful team. Dibby-doo-dop-dip-dop-diddy-diddy-zop-zop-zop-the-zay. I'll see y'all out there next time, baby, to watch our boys play. Yeah, I put some extra rice on my plate. The food is good and I want some more. And when the last game is over, before next season has begun, we'll be in our jerseys talking trash and having fun. And I think to myself, what a wonderful team. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful team. Oh yes, yeah baby. Dibby-doo-dop-dip-dop-diddy-diddy-zop-zop-zop-the-zay. Yeah, I put some extra rice on my plate. The food is good and I want some more. Why don't all of y'all get together with me, baby? We about to do this New Orleans style. Yeah. All y'all know this song. We're gonna sing it together. Whenever you get ready, just jump on in, baby. Yeah. Follow me. Now when the Saints go marching in, now when the Saints go marching in. Oh yes, I want to be in that number. Now when the saints go marching on in. Now when the saints go marching in. When the saints go marching on in. Oh yes, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in. And I think to myself, what a wonderful team. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful team. Oh yes. Go marching in, baby.